Hi, welcome to a brand new AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Practice Question 2022. In this video, we are going to discuss all the dummy questions of AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam. I am your host Aman Mehta from Certificate Hub Academy, and let's get started. Question 141. A web application running on AWS has been received malicious request from the same set of IP addresses. Which AWS service can help secure the application and block the malicious traffic? Now the options are: Option 1, AWS WAF. Option 2, Amazon SNS. Option 3, Amazon Guard Duty. Option 4, AWS IAM. And the correct answer is Option 1, AWS WAF. The AWS Web Application Firewall WAF is used for protect web applications or API against common web exploits. Rules can be created that block traffic based on source IP addresses. Correct. AWS WAF is the correct answer. Incorrect. AWS IAM is incorrect. The Identity and Access Management service is used for creating users, groups, roles and policies. It is not used for controlling network access. Incorrect. Amazon Guard Duty is incorrect. This is a service that analyzes your resources using anomaly detection and machine learning. It can alert and trigger other tools to take action, but it is not a network firewall service. Incorrect. Amazon SNS is incorrect, as this service is used for sending notification using a publisher-subscriber model. Next question. Which type of elastic load balancer operates at the TCP connection level? Now the options are: Option 1, Classic Load Balancer CLB. Option 2, Network Load Balancer NLB. Option 3, Amazon Route 53 Load Balancer. Option 4, Application Load Balancer ALB. And the correct answer is Option 2, Network Load Balancer NLB. A network load balancer functions at the fourth layer of the Open System Interconnection OSI model. NLBS direct connection based on information at the TCP connection level. Correct. Network load balancer NLB is the correct answer. Incorrect. Application load balancer ALB is incorrect. ALBS processes traffic at the application level layer 7 based on information in the HTTPS headers. Incorrect. Classic load balancer CLB is incorrect. CLBS processes traffic at the TCP, SSL, HTTP and HTTPS levels layer 4 and 7. Incorrect. Amazon Route 53 load balancer is incorrect. There are no features called a load balancer that is associated with Route 53. You can perform a type of load balancing using multi-value answer routing. Next question. How can a systems administrator specify a script to be run on an EC2 instance during launch? Now the options are: Option 1, metadata. Option 2, run command. Option 3, user data. Option 4, AWS config. And the correct answer is Option 3, user data. When you launch an instance in Amazon EC2, you have the option of passing user data to the instance that can be used to perform common automated configuration tasks and even run script after the instance starts. You can pass two types of user data to Amazon EC2: shell script and cloud init directives. User data is data that is supplied by the user at instance launch in the form of a script. User data is limited to 16 KB. User data and metadata are not encrypted. Correct. User data is the correct answer. Incorrect. Metadata is incorrect, as metadata retrieves information about the instance. Incorrect. Run command is incorrect, as this operates separately to the launch process. Incorrect. AWS config is incorrect, as this service stores configuration information relating to AWS services. Next question. Based on the shared responsibility model, which of the following security and compliance tasks is AWS responsible for? Now the options are: Option 1, updating operating systems. Option 2, updating Amazon EC2 host firmware. Option 3, encrypting data in transit. Option 4, granting access to individual and services. And the correct answer is Option 2, updating Amazon EC2 host firmware. AWS are responsible for updating Amazon EC2 host firmware. This is considered security of the cloud. All other tasks are the responsibility of the customer. Correct. Updating Amazon EC2 host firmware is the correct answer. Incorrect. Granting access to individual and services is incorrect. This is something a customer must perform to control access to the resources they use on AWS. Incorrect. Encrypting data in transit is incorrect. Encryption at rest and in transit is a customer responsibility. Incorrect. Updating operating systems is incorrect. Customers are responsible for patching operating system on Amazon EC2. AWS are only responsible for the host servers. Next question. How can a company facilitate the sharing of data over private connections between two accounts they own within a region? Now the options are: Option 1, configure matching CIDR address ranges. Option 2, create an internal ELB. Option 3, create a subnet pairing connection. Option 4, create a VPC pairing connection. And the correct answer is Option 4, create a VPC pairing connection. A VPC pairing connection helps you to facilitate the transfer of data. For example, if you have more than one AWS account, you can pair the VPCs across those accounts to create a file sharing network. You can also use a VPC pairing connection to allow other VPCs to access resources you have in one of your VPCs. Correct. Create a VPC pairing connection is the correct answer. Incorrect. Create an internal ELB is incorrect. An internal ELB will not help you to transfer data between accounts. Incorrect. Create a subnet pairing connection is incorrect. You cannot pair subnets. Incorrect. Configure matching CIDR address ranges is incorrect. Configuring matching CIDR addresses ranges will not mean you can route between accounts. Also, you cannot pair within an account with a matching or overlapping address range.